Good morning, doctors. Welcome again. Today we are going to discuss about scheme of online 50% All India Quota PG Counseling 2019 and 2020. Online medical counseling at www.mcc.nic.in. Okay. Registration, payment of fees, registration and tuition fees, submission of choices, view, modify and log processing of results. Okay. In first round seat must be allotted. First round seat allotted. If no, then after round 1 ends, fresh registration for round 2. New candidates and free exit candidates of round 2 are eligible. Already registered candidates of the round 1 need not register again. Okay, from here. If round 1 seat is allotted, yes, then report to allotted institute, complete admission formalities. If no, then free exit. If yes, then willingness for upgradation of to round 2. If no, then continue the allotted institution. If yes, then both round those who are selected or not selected. Fresh choice willing and looking by all the candidates choice filled by candidates in round 1 will be treated as null and void. Second round seat allotment. Second round seat allotted. If no, then exit. If yes, then seat allotted in second round but not reported, not joined, fortuner of forfeiture of fees. Okay. And if reported to allotted institute, complete admission formalities and okay. Hope it's clear for you. Now, scheme of online PG counseling for 100% deemed central universities seat 2019 and 2020. Process of counseling flowchart is online medical counseling www.mcc.nic.in. Then registration, payment of fees, registration and tuition fees, submission of choice, view modified log, processing of result. First round seat allotment. If first round seat allotted, if no, after the first round and fresh registration for the round 2, new candidates and free exit candidates of round 1 are eligible. Already registered candidates of round 1 need not to register again. If yes, then report to allotted institute, complete admission formalities. If no, then free exit. If yes, then willingness of the upgradation of the round 2. If no, then continue to study in allotted institute. And if yes, first is display of new added vacancies and also anticipated vacancies. First round choices submitted by candidate will be treated null and void. Fresh choice submission for seat allotment in round 2 is mandatory. Exercise fresh choices, view modify and log choices. Second round seat allotment. Second round seat allotted. If no, then new registration for mop up round. Fresh choice filling up for mop up round and processing of result publishing. If yes, then candidate allotted seat in round 2 and mop up round but not joined, their tuition fee will be forfeited. Report to allotted institute, complete admission formalities, no exit and. But here it's publishing, result publishing, report to allotted deemed university. Vacant seats due to non-joining, non-reporting are sent back to deemed central universities for history. Vacancy round as per university eligibility condition. And so hope this is clear for you. Scheme of online 50% all India PG counseling. So guys, have a good day. Goodbye. That's all for today. And if you have any queries, question regarding this, you can ask me. Thank you. Good day and goodbye. That's all. Again, if you like this video, put like on it. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you. Good day and goodbye.